Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, today we will discuss about how to create bill of material in Tally. So bill of material means it is calculating cost of each component in a manufacturing company. Okay friends, so regarding this today we will discuss. So today I am taking examples of manufacturing hero cycle. So regarding this today we will discuss. Okay, so for your reference please note down these notes. Bill of material. A bill of material is a comprehensive inventory of the raw materials, assemblies, sub-assemblies, parts and components, as well as the quantities of each needed to manufacture a product. In a nutshell, it is the complete list of all the items that are required to build a product. A BOM is sometimes also referred to as a product structure, assembly component list, or production recipe, that is in process manufacturing industries. A well-defined BOM helps companies to plan purchases of raw materials, to estimate material cost, to gain inventory control, to track and plan material requirements, to maintain accurate records, to ensure supply robustness and reduce waste. So BOM transaction. This is the raw material purchase transaction. So in manufacturing company needed raw materials. Then only they will converted into finished goods. So they are purchased this kind of raw materials. Okay. So you have to create the ledgers related in these transactions. So these are the ledgers you can create one by one. So go to the Tally. So before creating the ledger account, you need to enable GST tax. So press F11, select enable goods and service tax. So select this one, enable goods and service tax, set to yes. Type GST TIN number. And one more option, enable GST classification, set to yes, accept. Select create, select ledger, create one by one. Purchase at 18%. Under purchase account, type of ledger not applicable. Is GST applicable? Yes, applicable. Set alter GST details, set to yes. Nature of transaction, select purchase taxable in the list of nature of transaction. So select this one. So type GST slab rate 18%. Type of supply goods, accept. So next one, SK Industrial Suppliers Limited. SK Industrial Suppliers Limited. Under sundry creditor, they are supplier. Select sundry creditor group, accept. So next, create GST ledger, CGST at 9%. CGST at 9% under duties and taxes. Type of duty / tax, select GST. Tax type, central tax, accept. Yes, GST at 9%. Under duties and taxes, type of duty / tax, select GST. Tax type, select state tax, accept. So next one, transport charges. Transport charges. So in manufacturing company, all expenses comes under direct expenses. Select direct expenses. So here I am giving 2%, 2.5%, 1%, 5%, 0.25% like this. So this is for your reference when you are going to entering manufacturing journal voucher. So then you have to type transport charges. Don't type the amount. You have to type the percentage. It will calculate the amount on total cost of production. Okay. So second one, labor charges. Labor charges. Direct expenses. Electricity charges. Electricity charges. Direct expenses. Staff salary. Direct expenses. Telephone charges. Last one, rent. Okay friends, so all the ledgers is over. So next, create stock groups and units. So stock group means raw material. So here you are going to purchase raw material. That's why you have to specify the group name raw materials. So go to inventory master, select stock group, type raw materials. Under primary, should quantities of items be added? Say to yes, accept. So units, select units, create NOS, formal name, full name of NOS, numbers. Unit quantity code, NOS, type NOS, select NOS numbers, number of decimal places 0, accept. So next move to creation of godowns, assembly godown, finished godown, main location godown. Main location godown, don't create main location godown because it is already in Tally. It is a default godown in Tally. Okay, create these two, assembly godown and finished godown. Main location godown, it's already in Tally. Go to location, select location, press enter. So create new one, click here. Assembly godown. Assembly godown. Under primary. Finished godown. Under primary. This is raw material transferred to assembly godown transaction. So before creating this, go to the raw material purchase transaction. So you pass the entry. So before passing this entry, you need to create all the raw material stock items. So go to stock items, type one by one, sheets. Under raw materials, numbers, units, numbers, accept. Frames, under raw materials, numbers. Brakes, raw materials, numbers. Handlebars, raw materials. Wheel, raw materials. Tires, raw material. Chain, raw material. Pedals, raw materials. Crank set, raw materials. So check it, you created all the items. So go to alter, go to inventory master, select stock items. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So check it in transaction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we created all the raw material stock items. Okay. Come to the vouchers. First, pass one purchase entry, supplier invoice number. So supplier invoice number 9512. Party account name SK Industrial Suppliers Limited. Purchase ledger, purchase at 18%. Select seat. So location, you have to select main location because stored in main location Godown. All these raw materials stored in main location Godown. You have to select main location. Quantity 1000, rate 300. Seat. Next, frames. Main location Godown 1500. Brakes. Main location Godown 1000, quantity 700. Rate 700. Handle bars. Main location Godown 1000, quantity, handlebars 800 rupees. Wheel. Main location Godown 1000, quantity 400. Tire. Main location Godown 1550. Chain. Main location Godown 1450. Pedals. Main location Godown 1000, quantity 350 per quantity. Crankset. Main location Godown 1650. Okay. Press one more enter. Select CGST. Select yes GST. Accept. This is e-way bill details. Okay. Okay friends. So next, the following raw materials transferred from main location Godown to assembly Godown. So you have to pass this entry in inventory vouchers, in stock journal vouchers. Okay. So before entering this transaction, you check the stock position in main location Godown. Press display more reports. Select inventory books. Select location. Assembly Godown, nothing. Finished Godown, nothing. Main location Godown, each 1000 quantities of raw materials stock position is there. Okay. So like this you have to check the stock position in Godon. Okay. Next move to gateway of tally. Select voucher. Select other voucher or press Ctrl F10. So go to inventory voucher, select stock journal. Okay. So source, this is from Godon. Destination, this is to Godon. So in left hand side you have to select from Godon. In right hand side you have to select to Godon. So stock items quantity rates are same. So seats, select seats. Location, main location. Quantity 1000. So rate will come automatic. Seat. Next frame. Main location 1000. Brakes. Main location 1000. Handlebars. Main location 1000. Wheels. Main location 1000. Tires 1000. Chain. Main location 1000. Pedals. Main location 1000. Cranksets. Main location 1000. Okay. So everything is over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 stock item is over. So press one more enter. Cursor will move to right hand side. So here select same stock items but location is assembly Godon as per our transaction. The following raw materials transferred from main location Godon to assembly Godon. Seat. Assembly Godon. Quantity 1000. Frames. Assembly Godon 1000. Brakes. Assembly Godon 1000. Handlebars. Assembly Godon 1000. Wheel. Assembly Godon 1000. Tire. Assembly Godon 1000. Chain. Assembly Godon 1000. Pedals. Assembly Godon 1000. Crankset. Assembly Godon 1000. Okay friends. So like this you have to enter goods transferred from one Godon to another Godon transaction. Okay. So check the stock position in Godons. Display more reports. Select inventory books. Select location. Assembly Godon. So just now we transferred raw materials from main Godon to assembly Godon. So assembly Godon stock position is showing 1000 quantity each. Okay. So check it in other one. Finished Godon, nothing. Main location Godon, nothing. Just now we transferred all raw materials to assembly Godon. Okay. So next come to creation of voucher types. So now you have to create voucher types. Manufacturing journal. Select create. Go to accounting master. Select voucher type. Type here manufacturing journal. Manufacturing journal. Select type of voucher. You have to select stock journal. Stock journal. So here last but one option is there, that is use as a manufacturing journal. Use as a manufacturing journal, set to yes. Accept. So I provide the notes for this creation of voucher type. See here, gateway of tally, select create, press enter, select voucher types, press enter. In the name field type, manufacturing journal, select type of voucher, stock journal, and enable use as a manufacturing journal, set to yes, and then accept. Okay. So next move to create main component stock item. Today we are going to manufacture Hero Cycle. So you have to create main component stock item Hero Cycle under primary group. Escape. Select create. Go to inventory master. Come to the stock item. So create here Hero Cycle. Hero Cycle. Friends, before creating this, you need to configure one option. Press F12. See here. Select component list, bill of material in stock items. This is very important. You need to enable. Set component list, bill of materials in stock item. Set to yes. Accept. Under primary units numbers, see set component bill. Suppose you are not enable, this option will not appear. Okay, set to yes. Here name of BOM. So BOM list of Hero Cycle. So BOM list means raw material list for Hero Cycle. So name of BM standard. Type standard. So unit of manufacture. Today we are going to manufacture 1000 cycles. So you have to type here 1000 numbers. So select one by one. Brakes, assembly go done 1000. Chain, assembly go done 1000. Crankset, assembly go done 1000. Frames, assembly go done 1000. Handlebars, assembly go done 1000. Pedals, assembly go done 1000. Seats, assembly go done 1000. Tire, assembly go done 1000. Last one, wheel, assembly go done 1000. So before accepting, check it once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all the items we selected. So accept. Set alter GST detail, set to yes. Bicycle, type bicycles. So HSN code is 8712 0010. This is the bicycle HSN code. On value taxable 18%. Goods accept. Okay. So now we created main component stock items. Now we move to manufacturing entry. Select vouchers. Press Alt F7. Select manufacturing journal. Okay. So name of the product. Select Aerocycle. So this will come automatically. Name of BUM. This is standard manufacturing. So location assembly Gordon. So quantity 1000 numbers. So all the items as appear. See here, co-product, byproduct or scraps item. If anything pending in the Gordon, in the assembly Gordon, you have to select and type. So here nothing pending in assembly Gordon, you move to next option. So type of additional cost. So I have already given the list additional cost. So this is transport charges. Select transport charge. Friends, see here the total cost is 47 lakh. So including all these value. So totaling all these value, that total is 47 lakh. So you have to add additional cost for this total. So transportation charges percentage 2%. So 94,000 on 47 lakh. Okay. So 47 lakh into 2 divided by 100 means 94,000. So that's why for your reference I typed within bracket percentage. Okay. So next one, labor charges 2.50. 2.5. Electricity charges 1%. Staff salary 5%. Telephone charges 0.25%. Rent 2.20. Okay friends, see here 47 lakh. So total additional cost, so two more is there, that is CGST. That is 9%. SGST, that is 9%. Okay. So now calculate the total additional cost. That is 14,54,650 is the additional cost. Main cost is 47 lakh. 47 lakh plus 14,54,650 is the grand total is 61,54,650. So effective rate of primary item, that means the 1 Aerocycle cost is 6,154.65 paise. Okay. So this is the cost of one cycle, 6,154.65 per number of cycle. Okay. Accept this. So like this you have to create manufacturing journal. So check the Godown position. Select display more reports. Select inventory books. Location. Select location. See assembly Godown. So this is the assembly Godown details. Finished Godown. Nothing. Main location Godown. Nothing. So in assembly Godown, there are 1000 Eero cycles are there. So raw materials are gone. So here it is showing Eero cycle total stock position in the assembly Godown. So 1000 numbers are there. Okay. So you transferred that 1000 cycle to finished Godown. Go to vouchers. Press Alt F7 for stock journal. Select stock journal. So here select Eero cycle. Assembly Godown. From Godown, assembly Godown. So 1000 quantity. So rate is 6154.65 paise per number. Okay. Press one more enter. Select Eero cycle. So location finished Godown. So 1000. So like this you have to transfer finished goods to, you transferred finished goods from assembly Godown to finished Godown. Okay, accept. So display more reports. Select inventory books. Select location. Select assembly Godown. Now it is showing nil. Just now we transferred to finished goods. So in finished goods, so Eero cycles are 1000 numbers are there. In main location, nothing. Okay. So in this way, you have to create bill of material in Tally Prime. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.